The windy and fierce success parts, including these days exploded stars, can be shipping off the quickest trash inside the universe. Especially alluring neutron stars called pulsars set up a fast and strong alluring breeze. Right when charged particles, expressly electrons, slow down during the one's rough conditions, they may be upheld to genuine energies, astrophysicists report April 28 in the Astrophysical Journal Letters. Moreover, those zippy electrons can then provide for update and including light to also outrageous energies, conceivable, making the uncommonly high energy gamma bar photons that drove cosmologists to lurch on those atom launchers inside the primary region. This is the underlying stage in exploring the association between the pulsars and the ultra-high power surges, says astrophysicist Kay Fang of the University of Wisconsin-Madison, who changed into not stressed in this new work. Last year, experts with the Large High Altitude Air Shower Observatory, or LHAASO, in China introduced the exposure of the very best power gamma radiates anytime recognized, up to 1.4 quadrillion electron volts, SN, February 2, 2021. That is on various occasions as fiery as the best energies doable with the field's most useful iota smasher, the Large Hadron Collider close to Geneva. Perceiving what's causing those and different uncommonly extreme power gamma shafts could have to factor, from a genuine perspective, to the areas of huge pillars, the zippy protons, heavier atomic centers and electrons that blast Earth from locale past our Sun system. Some gamma radiates are remembered to begin inside comparable environs as gaudy bars. One way they're made is that huge bars, rapidly following being shipped off, can slam against extremely low strength encompassing photons, helping them to absurd strength gamma radiates. In any case, the electrically charged huge bars are hit with the aid of vast alluring fields, and that suggests they don't visit in a clearly line, hence jumbling tries to infer the zippy junk return to their stock. Gamma radiates, yet, are impervious to alluring fields, so astrophysicists can show their unfazed ways back to their beginning stages, and parent out where endless bars are made. To that stop, the LHAASO group followed most of gamma bar photons that it perceived to 12 spots on the sky. While the gathering examined one spot considering the way that the Crab Nebula, the rest of a vast blast about 6,500 delicate quite a while from Earth, the experts urged that the rest can be associated with different locales of great impacts or maybe more young huge star packs, SN, June 24, 2019. In the new Explore, astrophysicist Emma de Ona Wilhelmi and accomplices centered in one of those viable components of foundation, pulsar wind mists, the surges of aggravation and charged particles enveloping a pulsar. The researchers weren't convinced such locales could make such high-power particles and light, so they set off determined to reveal through assessments that pulsar wind mists weren't the resources of uncommon gamma radiates. Nonetheless, incredibly, we saw at the very pointless conditions, you can sort out the huge number of resources that LHAASO saw, says de Ona Wilhelmi, of the German electron synchrotron in Hamburg. The more young pulsars at the coronary heart of these mists, not any more conspicuous than 200,000 years collectible, can offer all that oomph due to their ultra-strong alluring fields, which spread the word about a wild alluring air pocket as a magnetosphere. Any charged junk moving in a genuine alluring subject get extended, says de Ona Wilhelmi. That is the means by which the Large Hadron Collider helps junk to outrageous energies. SN, April 22, 2022. A pulsar-controlled gas pedal, in spite of the way that, can grow particles to a lot higher energies, the gathering works out. That is because the electrons move away from the pulsar's magnetosphere and get along with the surface and alluring fields from the grand impact that made the pulsar. These alluring fields can also uphold up the electrons to extensively higher energies, the gathering finds, and expecting the ones electrons slam against including photons, they can raise those trash of delicate to ultra-high energies, changing them into gamma radiates. Pulsars are truly uncommonly solid gas pedals, Fang says, with different spots where atom speed increment can show up. Likewise, that would cause a piece of confusion. Gamma bar telescopes have pretty soft, creative and keen. For example, LHAASO could make out information handiest as little as about around half of the size of the general moon. So the gamma bar sources that the telescope recognized appear, apparently, to be masses or air pockets, says Daona Wilhelmi. There could be more than one fiery resources inside those masses, agitated to current observatories. With better exact decision and higher responsiveness, we ought to be good for perceive what, and, where the gas pedal is, she says. Several Fate observatories, close by the Cherenkov Telescope Array and the Southern Wide Subject Gamma Bar Observatory, should help, but they're different years out.